Hey YouTube, switching over from the truck to lawnmowers. Today I'm going to be, I'm going to be PB blasting my lawnmower with the lawnmower tune-up, help save the engine or whatever. And I'm going to be doing it on my 2011 model Troy Bilt lawnmower. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking off the hood just so it'd be easier to show y'all. And easier to do it. As you can see, I already unhooked the headlights off of it. But get the hood off. It's just 2 bolts, and it's going to be you can see that half inch socket. So we'll go and take those off real quick. I just got done cutting grass, so it's hot. Come on. We'll get these out of the way. We'll remove the other side. Put the bolts on the seat. Make sure to support the hood so it won't fall down to the ground. Just lift her off carefully. Now that we got that out of the way, there's our spark plug right there. So we're going to remove the spark plug wire. So, switch from the half-inch socket to our spark plug socket, which is usually 5/8. Break it loose. Well, that manifold's hot, so I'm going to try to reach in there and grab it. Eee, that's hot. Ah! Ah! not as hot. Get that. Haha. Alright. Well, as you can tell, this is a one-cylinder engine, just about the fact that it has one spark plug. So then you can use this time to inspect your plug, make sure it's still gapped at the right size, make sure, you know, still a good plug in it. Right, there we go. As you can see, it's kind of dry right there on the end, so but just make sure to gap your spark plug according to instruction manual, operator's instructions, or whatever you got to reference that. So set you right there. That's actually a good view right there. Okay. Just make sure that there's no oil on the spark plug too. That would mean that you got a broken valve seal or something like that, and oil getting in your engine. And just take the PB blaster. Always read instructions. Alright, we got directions for sure starts and spring. Remove spark plug and spray 2 to 3 ounces continuous spray for 20 seconds into plug hole. Reinstall spark plug, turn engine over to lubricate cylinders, but do not start engine. Let it stand for 15 minutes, add gas and start engine. Carbon, gum, and varnish deposits are emulsified and removed with exhaust emission. So that's what we're going to do. So it's going to be continuous spray for 20 seconds. See if I can aim good here. $1,001, $1,002, $1,003, $1,004. Oh, I'm out. 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. Well, as you can see, I already filled the chamber with 8 seconds. So, with that being said, go ahead and just top it off. Some spark plug chambers are different than others, just according to the size of the engine and how big a spark the engine's supposed to produce. I'll tell you what, we'll spray a bit more. Plug in there. Cap that bad boy back on. And always from the tight, just about either 1/8 of a turn or 1/4 of a turn until it's snug. Should do the trick. On a spark plug. Reinstall your plug wire till you hear it pop, like so. Alright, she's back on there. And lubricate the cylinders. So turn the engine, just don't let it run. Make sure to remove all tools from the movable parts, and we'll lubricate the cylinders. Alright, and we'll let her sit for 15 minutes. So let's see, so I'm not gonna let y'all wait for 15 minutes, so I'll be back when that's over.